Hi, I'm David and welcome to another video, and today we're taking a look at the Master Lock range of fireproof safes, is how they build them. I prefer the phrase fire resistant safes because nothing's fireproof. They're only resistant for a certain amount of time, and we're going to go into that. And this is us, London and Home County Safes, on londonsafes.co.uk, rated excellent on Trustpilot. Free delivery and free installation on all bolted down safes, which this range is. And this is the area that we cover, all of those places, about 90 to 100 mile radius from our headquarters in Hatfield, Hertfordshire. Without further ado, let's have a look at this range of safes. So if we just go over to my iPad here a second, I'm on our website londonsafes.co.uk, and we're seeing the 6 safes that are available in this range. This first one is the Master Lock Fireproof Safe Large 1 hour protection, and that's the one that I've got here next to me at the moment, that particular derivative. And then they also make the extra large 1 hour protection, and the extra large also still 1 hour protection. And then as we scroll down, there's 3 more. We've got the extra large with a built-in alarm, still 1 hour protection. And then we go to the extra large, which is with a 2 hour protection, which also comes with emergency keys at that point, which the first 4 that we looked at don't. And then we have the extra large with the 2 hour resistance. These prices might vary. These are the prices currently on the website. Obviously they change with price increases from manufacturers and things like that. So what we're looking at really is a fire resistant box and a water resistant box that does have some insurance rating as a safe, albeit right at the bottom end of the scale in terms of ratings. On our website there's a button that says learn more. Press it there, and we have some information on insurance ratings on this site there, which goes through, looks at what is a safe and what isn't a safe. But if you scroll down this page, you will see a chart of all the ratings that are available, starting at the lowest. These are in the insurance ratings, and you'll see that 1,000 cash or 10,000 valuables, that's your valuables, is the bottom end of the scale, and it goes up from there. So I point that out because this really is a safe for storing things and keeping them safe from fire and from water. Not necessarily particularly secure, but it would give you insurance compliance for that rating, £1,000 in cash or £10,000 in valuables. And that goes for all the 6 safes. They're all the same, they're all rated at the same. So we're looking at a digital keypad that's battery operated. This isn't going to be a long video. There is a much more detailed video of this particular safe on the YouTube there. Battery operated, as you can see, that's where the batteries live. I'm just going to open the safe using a code I've put into it, and open the safe up just so you can get an idea. They come with these hooks for hanging keys. They also come with, I think most of them, but the details will be on the individual product page, with a little drawer for putting bits and pieces in. But they don't come with any fixing holes to bolt them in to a property. So essentially it is a fireproof box at that point. It's not insurance approved unless it's physically anchored to your building. They can be anchored to the building, but it does breach the waterproofing of the safe, because there is a rating for these safes for waterproofing. I think they can stand in some water for 24 hours or something and not absorb any water into the contents, is their claim anyway. But what there is there's 2 marks on the underside of the safe that us as installers can drill through diagonally, either one here and one here, or here and here, it depends on the safe, and then we can bolt it down to the floor. We can't bolt it to the wall, we can only bolt it to the floor. That's the inside of the door that gives the information on the testing, which is the US United States type testing. From one of our printouts of the product page, you can see the the various testing that it's got. So it's UL classified for fire resistant for 60 minutes for your documents, and it's ETL verified 60 minutes fire protection, as well as for digital items, CDs, USBs, up to 927 degrees Celsius. That's the test. I presume that includes hard drives. They would be the same, I guess. You've also got this ETL verified water protection on all of the safes. There it is, yeah. So for up to 12 centimeters immersion for 24 hours, to protect the documents and valuables from flood damage. Important because they look at these things in fire safe terms, because if it is going to survive a fire, then it needs to potentially survive the water that the fire brigade would put into the fire to put it out, and which is often more damage. It's also got this ETL verified drop test, where it will withstand a 4.5 meter drop during a fire and stay closed, and it's again tested at temperatures of up to 927 degrees. Looking at the inside of the door, they have LEDs that illuminate the contents as you open the safe. That's what the bolts look like. I mean, it wouldn't be easy peasy to get into this safe, but it wouldn't be, it would be able to be defeated, unfortunately, with crowbars and things like that. You really need to be looking at some of our other safes at a higher rating if you want more burglary resistance. But if you've got documents and things that you're really worried about, then this is ideal. This piece here locks into that piece there as the door shuts to give it some extra protection on the hinge. They all come with a fixed code that cannot be deleted, and that code is in the manual for each individual safe. So that code will always open the safe if you forget your code, but you would set your own routinely you would set your own code that you want to use day to day, but there's always that backup code. I think there might even be a way, if you contact them, and proof of ownership, even if you lose that code that can't be deleted, that they might be able to give you that code. But obviously there'll be checks to go through for security reasons and things like that. So in summary, that was just an overview of the range from Masterlock fire resistant safes, and this is us London and Home County Safes on londonsafes.co.uk, rated excellent on Trustpilot and 5 stars on Google. This is what our website looks like. That's the home page. You can see free fitting on all bolted safes. We do a free home survey which is COVID secure. Our installation is COVID secure. Please get in touch and have a look. If you are looking at our website, you can see our reviews by clicking here for Trustpilot or there for Google. And thank you very much for watching.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.